Remember this thing? 2003 Frigidaire air conditioner made by Electrolux. This Fetters replaced it. This thing hasn't ran in well over 2 years. No, it's more than that. Well over 4. So I'm gonna see if this thing. I'm curious. I'm gonna see if this thing still has any charge, or if it's still able to cool. All right, so here we go on high. Just as noisy as it always was, which is why I hated this thing so much. All right, I'm gonna give it a few minutes. See if it's got its charge. All right, it's been 10 minutes. A little bit cold, tiny bit. Only the bottom is cold and not the top. Yeah, this thing's low on Freon, so I'm gonna get the temp gun. Damn, where's the temp gun? I can't find it, but obviously it's starting to get a little cold. But to know for sure, see if it... Yep. Nothing but a wall shaker. Well, still sort of works. Not too bad for having not ran in like over 3 or 4 years. It's a little bit cold, but if you hear that noise, because since the obviously the fan motor's bearings are shot, this is when Electrolux started building Frigidaire units, and they got cheaped out. Now I got cheap ass fan motors, which the bearings wear out after 5 years. And this noise is unbearable, so I just couldn't take it, so that's why I got this. Much quieter running unit, well now anyway, since it's got new thrust washers. Well, not bad, since it still pretty much cools. It's definitely low on Freon. Alright, enough of that. Now you can still hear pressure. All right, well, I guess that's it. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget, well, one thing, quality one, quantity nothing. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to always love.